OCBO has issued red tag and yellow tag notices to several establishments in the city. A red tag, occupancy prohibited, indicates that occupancy of the building is strictly prohibited. Inspection results show that the structure has sustained severe damage and is considered dangerous for occupancy. A comprehensive structural assessment is required, and entry or use of the premises is prohibited until all necessary repairs have been completed and cleared by the OCBO. Now, some establishments with red tag notices as of October 13 are Mapua Malayan College, Mindanao, the administrative building and the school building as well, the Velvet Suites and Hotel, Orodern City. Then we have Magallanes Residence, Toledo Building 3, and Teleperformance Davao, part of SM Annex Building. Yellow tag or restricted use is a yellow tag indicates that the use of the building is restricted. Inspection results revealed moderate structural or non-structural damage requiring repairs before full reoccupancy. Certain areas may remain accessible under controlled conditions subject to the approval of the OCBO. Some establishments with yellow tag notices as of October 13, 2025 are Felcris Centrale, Building A, B, and C, Quezano Mall of Davao, Bahada Parking Building, the Vivaldi Residence, Davao, and Mesa Tierra Garden Residences. All concerned establishments are directed to strictly comply with the conditions and safety requirements set by the OCBO before allowing reoccupancy. These measures are implemented to ensure the safety and protection of residents, tenants, and the general public. For further information and guidance, please coordinate directly with the OCBO. And inspection for other establishments with reported visible cracks are still ongoing and are being jointly conducted by OCBO and the PICE. Daghang salamat.